Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called What Would You Make? And the hosts are OK at Home DIY, Marshas Mush and Stuff, and the guest host is Simple Roots, Simply Living. So in this collab, just to clarify, we would be making something out of wood. So let's see what we can create today. I will be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and let's just have fun. Make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can watch what everyone does in creating with wood. So what I decided to do here today is create two different stands with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These would be decorative stands that you can place anywhere in your home. And so let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is painting and coloring everything. So that's what you see me doing here right now. So I finished painting one of the wooden planks in green, and I just placed that outside so it can dry. So now I'm working on the camper. So this is one of the camper cutouts they have at the Dollar Tree, and this is the one with the Christmas tree up on top. And so now we're going to be filling this in. So now I have all the pieces for the first stand sitting in the back waiting for all of that to fully dry. Now I'm gonna work on a different stand. And so this is the truck with the Christmas tree up on top, and we're gonna start by giving this a fresh coat of white along with that wooden plank that I already did. So I found some pom-poms in my stash, and I thought it would be cute to put one on the end of Santa's hat on that believe sign. So that's what I'm doing. So here, as you can see, I already colored the pieces and I already glued them down to the plank. And what I'm doing is just removing the glue strings, and this is what we have. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love the black and white. I love them both. Which ones do you guys like? Now the sign on the camper says believe. I really do like that one. And I really do like the second one also. And the truck has let us know. So I think both of them absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.